Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to change your primary email on LinkedIn step by step. So if you have switched to a new email or just want to update your login or your notification address, this guide is going to help you to do it in less than a minute. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on linkedin.com on your web browser. You can also follow the same steps in the LinkedIn mobile application. Now over here, you need to log in into your LinkedIn account if you haven't already. Here on the home page, you are going to see the Me tab on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on this particular option, simply click on the option of settings and privacy. Now, this is where you are going to manage your account related information, emails, and preferences. So here, simply click on the option of sign in and security in the left hand side. Over here, you are going to see your currently used email address. So you need to simply click on it. Now it is going to show you your primary email over here. But since you want to add a new email, simply click on the option of add email. Over here, just type the new email that you want to add, then enter your LinkedIn password. The LinkedIn password should be the account password which you have basically used in order to log in into your account. And after providing this detail, simply click on the option of submit. Now on your new email, LinkedIn is going to send a verification link. So you need to simply verify it and return to your LinkedIn account. So now you will be able to see that you have two emails added. Now you can make any of your email primary. So the email that you have added over here, you can just make it primary with the help of these options that are given here. And this way you will be able to change your primary email on LinkedIn very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.